sorted. So many of them.
Waterfall aviary. Go bird watching in the aviary and try this. Watch them in action during the Pelican Teach-It.
Would you like to join me on stage? Wow! Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen! Wow, that's Gaia or Hyacinth the Pop. Everyone, the claw is taking flight. Really nicely. Wow! Okay, we have one more joining the team. There you go. Now these are toucans. Touch them fly. Wow! To the center volunteer. Very new name. Pao Pao. Oh, I love you too, Papa. Thank you very much, Sheila and Kaya. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of us. Let's give them a big hand, shall we?
This is Susie, our American bald eagle. Alright, the turkey vultures can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America in the wild. They are able to smell. Wow! Here he comes! Look at him! And great snatch there! Wow! So here we go! 1 and 2 and 3! Look at her making away! And a perfect touchdown! In Tibet, and some migrating juveniles, Saint South, happen.